कल मैंने टोक्यो ओलंपिक में पहला मेडल जीता है, तो मैं ये पूरा भारतवासियों ने मेरे लिए प्रे किया है, तो ये मेडल मैं पूरा भारतवासियों को मैं डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ। उन लोगों की वजह से मैं आज मेडल जीत पाई हूँ, तो मैं सबको मैं धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ। जय हिंद।
Mirabai Chandu, India star from East Imphal district of Manipur, created history as she won silver medal in the women's 49 kg weightlifting event at Tokyo Olympics. Mirabai has become the second Indian to win an Olympic medal in weightlifting after Karnam Malleshwari's historic bronze in 2000. Mirabai ended a 2-decade-long drought in India's weightlifting. Let's take a look at her achievements. In 2021, Mirabai went past the 200 kg barrier at the Asian Championships, during which she set a new world record for her category in the clean and jerk section. In 2019, at the Asian Weightlifting Championship, she won bronze in clean and jerk in the 49 kg category. The total weight of 199 kg was her best then. In 2018, Chandu lifted a total of 196 kg, 86 kg in snatch and 110 kg in clean and jerk to win the first gold medal for India in the Commonwealth Games in 2018. She also broke the record for the weight category. In 2017, she created history at the World Weightlifting Championship held in Anaheim, United States, when she became the only second Indian in 22 years to clinch a gold at the World Weightlifting Championship after Malleshwari. After making India proud, Mirabai said that she is very happy. She said she has been dreaming for this for the past 5 years. She said she feels great to repay hopes of countrymen. All this glory hasn't come easy to Mirabai. Her struggles are equally inspirational to many girls in the country. As a child, she used to lift heavy firewood, which her elder brother could not. After so much hard work and dedication, Mirabai now lifts the heaviest of weights to elevate her position at such international competitions. Her life filled with struggles motivates every child to defeat difficulties and be steady to tackle all odds. With limited means in her family and being the youngest among 6 siblings in a village in Amphal, it wasn't easy for Chandu. An employee of Indian Railway, Mirabai entries into weightlifting was accident. At the age of 12, she had gone to Kumhan Lampak Stadium in Manipur's capital Imphal to enroll herself in archery, but destiny had other plans when she chanced upon weightlifting in a sports hall. For the next few years, she traveled nearly 20 kilometers daily from her home in Mongkong Kaching village to the state capital Imphal for weightlifting training. Life has just begun for Mirabai Chandu. She will always be remembered as the girl who brought silver home, lifted 49 kgs with a smile on her face, and inspired millions of lives in the country. Chandu's journey from firewood to weights, from village to podium, from heartbreaking defeats to heartwarming wins is noteworthy. The endearing smile on Mirabai Chandu's face will be remembered in our minds forever, but only a few will know the pain that she had to endure to create history.